tomatoes. Hey guys, I'm Amber, and as you can see, Ellen and I are cooking for the zombie apocalypse today. Dude, are you okay?
That was awesome.
Was it? Because you totally passed out. I honestly have no idea how you've made it this far.
Oops. So, are we making zombie burgers today?
Gross, no. But we do have the basic ingredients to make an apocalyptic Sloppy Joe. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Look what we have here.
Well, what are the odds? Must be our lucky day.
Crushed canned tomatoes are the base. Next, we add oatmeal for some fiber to help thicken it up. Ketchup adds some nice tang, not to mention both the tomatoes and the ketchup have lycopene, which is an antioxidant that fights cancer and keeps your heart healthy. Adding Worcestershire and barbecue sauce adds some zesty flavor and bite. Go ahead and add these to your taste preference. Black pepper for a little spice, and next the onions, which not only add flavor, but they contain vitamin C to boost your immune system. And to complete the Sloppy Joes, we add the protein. Lentils are packed full of fiber and protein, and these are pre-cooked, so they help save on time.
All right, everything's added. We're gonna let this simmer for 20 minutes. In the meantime, we gotta get our buns ready.
It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. Nothing fun. It's the end of the world as we know it.
And now we eat.
Grains.
That's your bite.